Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper and crude oil in a single presentation. Since both the commodities are staying in line with the trend, we thought we can cover both the presentations in a single video. The chart which you are viewing is the crude oil chart. All the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. What we expected for this week and for yesterday was that we were targeting this box, this blue color box, which is the consolidation zone, which we experienced last week. After breaking this zone, you can see the price went up. So, and in between these consolidation zone, we have marked two lines which represents 4,900 and 4,920. So our view was very clear yesterday. If the price is not sustaining above 4,920, it is going to be the seller's zone. So after the price opening, you can see this red color candlestick that indicates the price opening. After the price opening, the price stayed here, consolidated here with the average. You can see that we were following this moving average, and the price was staying in line with the average by taking a clear resistance around 4,900. That pushed the price to break this average clearly. So once the zone was entirely broken, the price fell down till 4,800, more or less near 4,800. So what we expected yesterday, that happened. So since the price is couldn't sustain above 4,920, it fell down. So today also you can expect a crude to open more or less near the same zone. So the strategy is very clear. Just we need to mark these resistance zone since the price is trading lower, and we have marked the support zones also, which can be the possible targets. So 4,820, 860, these are the possible resistance zones, and the supports we have marked it. So you can see these are the various support zones where the price had taken a good support and went higher. So these are again the possible support zones we have marked for your reference. So let us see. Today also crude is expected to be in downtrend like what happened, but have a close look at 4,900 and 4,860. So let's see what's going to happen during our trading session in crude oil. Let us move on to the next commodity, copper. So what we expected copper in copper, so the same chart, 1 hour chart, all the candlesticks here represents 1 hour. So whenever we place a cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. So what we expected in copper yesterday was that you can see like crude oil, we have marked the consolidation zone. After breaking, the patterns are the same both in copper and crude. You can see that after a breakout above 436, and we have marked this 436 as one of the major zones. 436, the price went up, then it is a reversal. On Friday the price came down here, and this is where the price opened yesterday, which is below 436, below the average, and everything indicates that the price has got a lot of chances to move down, and also it is below the trend line which we got drawn connecting these lows. So that pulled the price down, and you can see it is a continuous drop. So after the price opening, it is a continuous drop, and it has developed a pattern. Now we can draw even a trend line. If we connect this line and if we connect these things, it will draw a trend line, but that trend line looks so close to the price. So we had not drawn the trend line. If you want, you can draw connecting this point and these points in order to identify and trace it. So today the expected price opening is somewhere around 430. So what this is the 432, the market has cleared the major support zone of 432. So what we can expect today is that we can expect copper to continue and move in the same price direction like what we expected for this week, and the target zones is 428. So let me mark the support zones, 428 and 426. These are the most target zone, but the major support zone is 422. So just for your reference, if you're a continuous follower of our presentations, you may remember what this 425, 426 zone and 422 zone. So for this complete year, if you are a continuous, if you are a seasoned copper trader, you may know the importance of 422, 425 and 426. Price for this complete year is moving in and around this 422 zone. So this is a very major support zones. So the possible target, if the trend continues, you can expect this zone. So the rest is well. So copper is also expected to stay down. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And one more advice, please don't trade against the trend. So that should be a professional way. And as a rule, we don't trade against the trend. Still we are noticing few clients and traders betting against the trend. So please try to learn from your mistakes. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.